Look at that 500. That's hilarious.
I think that's the...
Yeah, that's quadrifoglio. Yeah, it is.
And a
Is it?
663
It is.
estate. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
wow, look at that.
That's stunning. Behind the...
Yeah, the E36, yeah. In an E36. Let's befriend him. Mate!
Go straight.
I could wave. Okay, thanks. Oh, make green great again, scooter.
Oh, I really wanted a dark green E36.
I thought yours was, but it isn't.
No, it's black.
What's happening here?
Wow.
What is he doing? What was that all about? Come on. Seriously.
Typical BMW driver.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything now, but okay.
Oh well.
Well, it's not my car, so. I think he wanted just to show off. He wanted us to know that he saw that we were driving an E36.
What a going across the crosswalk.
Come on.
I really hate that the turn signal doesn't make a sound.
Yeah, me too. I think it does make a sound.
Very, very slightly.
Yeah, it does.
But
you can't hear it.
if you're talking, you can't hear it. I really dislike that. Why the f?
Why? What's happening? Come on. Yeah, there it is. Thanks, we needed that.
I curse too much.
Yeah, you do.
Well, let's just say I'm a passionate person.
With a lot of feelings.
There was the matte blue S63.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what it
I lived there.
was at his house.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't see it. I've got a big thing in front of my eyes. And it's not my glasses.
Take it right.
These traffic lights are slow, man.
And short.
Oh, I didn't say anything.
It's long to wait, but they're very short when it's green.
Yeah, it's dreadful.
Yeah. But the
Nice 159 or 159.
Burgundy 159.
Burgundy, yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Stunning.
I always call it wine red. That's not correct.
Yeah.
Nice Defender over there.
I think it's Heritage, but I'm not.
No, it's not.
Sure.
Is it? Is it? I don't think so. That needs a special color.
No,
Right?
It isn't. It has some Heritage bits on it.
Okay.
There was a guy there though who had a Heritage, but he sold it. Nice Jaguar XJ behind us.
Yeah, I could see it. Nice bike. Whoops.
And a nice dog. That's
Nice taken. Dog's blood. Doggy.
Take it right.
Alright. Haha.
Come on.
I'm so sorry. I didn't do that on purpose. Not a
I
grey?
mean, it's the Q8 that was parking horribly in the...
Yeah, now what is he
again.
doing? What's this about? Oh, many people.
And a car spotter.
Oh wow, yeah. Oh, he's spotting this. RSQ3
SQ8.
and SQ8, yeah. C63.
It's a
spotting it everywhere.
poor man's Urus.
It is.
But
Is it a?
someone with
It's
good taste,
not a
because
diesel, is it? Or is it?
No, I don't
No,
think
the
so.
SQ5 and the SQ7 were diesels.
Very nice M3 over there.
Oh, I didn't see it.
It was an F80,
Darn it.
but with the GTS M4 GTS front lip.
Oh, nice. Right.
Right. Carry on.
Ding. That's the tram. Right. We can floor it now. We won't, but we can.
The power of a 1.8 4-cylinder.
120 horsepower?
No.
30? I don't know. I'm not sure. Or even less.
I can't remember
160.
correctly, but I thought 140.
140. Okay, that's quite a lot.
I
Well,
can't-
quite a lot. Not that much, but
It's enough.
it's yeah, it is. It's plenty.
It goes along with modern day traffic.
Yeah, easily. What's happening there? Look at that! Wow! Nice job! That's good going. Yeah, this is Amsterdam, guys. Oh, look at that pink van. Oh, we like that.
Pink van.
Yeah, behind us.
Oh yeah, from the Moco.
Nice. We didn't die by tram.
Not yet.
Not yet. Shut up. We will not.
It's Amsterdam.
It would look great on my tombstone, though.
Died by tram. Murdered by
Murdered by tram, yeah.
Slaughtered.
Look, we're really in the Netherlands. Look at that. Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Everywhere.
And a lot of Volvos.
Yeah, definitely. But that's more like Amsterdam.
No.
Yeah, I know. They're popular.
Oh,
what?
God, that monstrosity.
What, the T-Roc? The C-Class?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a questionable design, for sure.
Ugly as hell.
For sure. It's not great. But it's different, you know? Just like the E36 compact.
Good.
No, but that was the only nice thing I could say about it.
I do like the E36 compacts. I don't like the E46 compacts because they have the weird nose with the
right, yeah.
regular headlights and then the...
But it's just a weird design. It's like it's been crushed by a, well, I don't know what. Container? I don't know.
A G-Wagon?
A G-Wagon, probably.
Watch out for all
I don't want to run anyone over.
People.
Or maybe if I hit one, that'll count as a bonus point.
100 points to every cyclist you hit. Like Santiago.
Oh yeah, over there. That's it.
Power!
And a G-Class, another G-Class.
Yeah. Yellow G-Class, nice. A London E-Taxi.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There are several of those around here actually.
Oh, I think it was a Cullinan though.
Oh, that's a big difference. No.
What? What am
You were heading straight.
No, I knew what I was doing.
Yeah.
I did. I should know that this is my first time driving in Amsterdam, okay?
Okay, and then at the lights, take a right.
Okay.
Because you want to drive through Amsterdam.
Oh my.
You're gonna drive through Amsterdam.
I don't know if I've got the balls to do this. I do. I know I do.
I don't know.
They're like incredibly heavy.
Balls of steel.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Welcome to driving through Amsterdam.
This is so freaking
bicycles
annoying.
everywhere.
Yeah. Can you overtake them, or is it too dangerous? Yeah.
Can, but
yeah, but they are now they're slowing down. Yeah, come on. That's my turn.
Now it's my turn to live.
Oh wait.
Let's take a right.
That's a sharp bend.
Oh well. You'll survive.
I've got a steering wheel, yeah, I know.
Yeah, it'll be for steering. It's quite handy in a car.
Nice shoes.
They were
bright.
Very radioactive.
Radioactive shoes.
Might be a good
Jump!
to describe them. A Citroen HY.
Where?
There. On the left.
Oh, there. Yeah, I see it. 2CV. Yeah. Nice 208. I like those. Wow, Alpha Spider. Much too young.
Nice.
G-Class or G-Wagon. Police car. Oh my word.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we have to take
a left, I guess.
Yeah, go take a left. And then take a left again.
Oh, this is great.
Let's get behind the police car.
Oh man. Oh, Canter. I still want to flip one over.
What is your obsession with the cars?
I have no idea, man, but they're so... Whoa, Polestar, nice. Polestar 2.
There's the Jimny on the other side now.
Oh, you don't say. Oh my god.
Those are so cool.
Yeah, they are.
Absolutely.
I don't really like the G-Wagon body kit though.
No, I don't. I don't like them either. But I love the stock form of the Jimny. It's just so cool.
It's boxy, it's small, it's everything you ever wanted.
An electric Smart Fortune.
You couldn't have seen that from there. If this is the current question.
It is an electric one.
You couldn't have seen that.
But I did.
Magic. Wow, this is wonky.
That's a photo shoot.
Oh, this is fantastic. Look at this. It's still leaning.
The leaning bridge of Amsterdam. Well, that was weird to experience.
Yeah, it was. 3:35. Yeah, might have. Yeah, was it?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I love.
Did look like one.
I love the E90 series 335.
Come on, pigeon! What are you doing? Am I running? Am I running over a pigeon? What am I?
Is it still
where is
there?
it? I don't know where it went. Oh no, it's here. It's here.
Okay.
Oh, thank God. We would have run over a pigeon.